everyone, I'm Sabrina, and I've made a survey which try to understand how many of people want to travel back to the past, and I'd love to share with you. So we have the movie called About Time, which allows the starring actor to travel back to the past just by holding his hand really tight like this, which makes no sense, but it does satisfy our desire and imagination to be a time traveler. So, have you ever wondered how many of us want to travel back to the past? Well, I asked 175 friends of mine their opinions, and both genders show the same percentage of people who do want to travel back to the past. And you can tell by the chart. And now, let's see the reason for those who say no. And 2/5 of them say that they only care about the future, while the others say something diverser like these. And this guy must be very rational. Okay, and as for those say yes, which period they want to visit the most? And the one is which we were still senior high school students. And why? What would you do if someday you really had the opportunity to be a time traveler and sending yourself back to maybe your teenagehood or childhood? Here's my friends' answers. Some want to solve the relationship problems which is between families, friends, and lovers. And some want to change the serious decisions they've made. And 1/3 of them want to live that particular life in a different way. While 41% of the interviewees just wish that they could live that kind of life once again. And here's the percentage of each period that they want to visit the most. And well, embroil for 5%, is the world that bad? Okay, so back to here. Here's the thing, we can tell by the calculation that the percentage is getting less as the listed period is further away from the present. And it might show the tendency that we easily compare our right now living with the previous one, especially the one being the closest. But it does remind us that the only thing we're able to do is to keep moving on. Traveling back to the past is obviously a romantic dream. And I believe this dream is shared by many people like me, like you. And finally, because I'm super curious about this widely shared dream, so I did the survey and I shared what I've learned with you. Thank you.